Oh, look at this guy, one crypto god. Dude, are you gonna talk or just sit there? I got something better for you. I'm shutting the studio down. Don't you ever criticize me. Ever. When I stream, it's like something magic happened. Alright? I'm not Mr. Beast, okay? I'm not fucking Aiden Ross, alright? I don't stream for a living. When I stream, you have the privilege of watching me. Privilege! I'm one of the few guys, you know what? Maybe the only guy in finance who's actually done it. Okay? Man, go watch the streams of the guys who've never been on Wall Street. Go watch me Kevin's stream. Go watch Ahmed's stream. Shout out to Ahmed, by the way. Go watch people draw lines on charts. You got this, bro. Fucking pissing me off. Let me entertain you. Let me get really good production value. You got the fibs. When the fibs are working in your direction, okay, and you have the momentum going up. Here, let me show you. Let me show you this chart. Hold on. Okay. Check this out. All right. Let me show you how to spot a winner. Okay. This stock was at 10 days before, right? And then it goes up to 50. What was that? 55. Something good happened, right? Something good must have happened. The chart, the candles are telling me something good happened. Okay? And the chart was flat for the whole PM session. That means there was indigestion. Okay? That's indigestion right here. Okay? And this is what happened next was called morning sickness. 56 opens at 51, right? It's like a drop there, okay? And then here's the key. You see that big volume, right? And it stays right there. That means some people traded hands, okay? They traded hands of stock. That's called building a base, all right? Just like in Rust, you build a base. You have to build a base in the stock market. Okay, so that 51 base is people buying millions of shares. And there are no more sellers left, right? That's why the volume chart, it stopped going up and it's quieted down. But the guy who wants to buy millions of shares, he's still buying, right? But the sellers are gone. The sellers are the volume. So the sellers pieced out. Maybe the sellers backed off. Stock went up. A seller hit it and he was out. And the buyer's still there. He's still there. He's still buying. Some sellers show up. He's still buying. So whoever is in this stock is just going to keep buying it until we see a lot of volume. That's called confirmation. Okay? Volume confirms the move. Okay? With volume, you get reality. So this is real. These trades are fake. You might as well exclude them from your stock chart. You know what? That's a good idea. I'm going to make a chart that excludes the bottom 50% of volume because it doesn't matter. Somebody trades, let's say your house is maybe not your house. Let's say, Microsoft, what, 500 a share? Yeah, 507. And you see somebody buy and sell Microsoft for $100, but they only trade 10 shares. Is that going to change your opinion of the stock price? Hell no. There's millions of shares being traded every day for 500. So if somebody trades shares for 100, it doesn't count. So just remove all this volume. Just cross it out in your head. And the chart becomes much clearer. That might be a real thing I said there. But you got the Fibonacci retrace with the golden spiral rectangles. That's kind of what's going on here. Notice the Konami code. Green, green, red, red, red. green, green, red, green, green, red, red, green, red, red. That's actually a little bearish. Okay? It's a little bearish. Oh, it's turning, it went from red to green. That's bullish. Okay? Now I'm going to put my oscillators on, my indicators. I don't know how to actually do that, but let me see if I can do that. Okay, I got the average price. I like this because it's basically a line. You see the blue line. Okay, I made too many of them. I have to delete them. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, my prices are gone. What the fuck? Hey, it's all over. Oh, it's all over. Okay, I removed the indicators, but there's a problem. I somehow hid the price of the, yeah. Oh, no. Everything's gone. Price, volume, it's all gone. What happened? What happened? Bars. No, it doesn't work. Man, what the fuck? Where's my price? Am I cooked? Where'd price go? Thank you. Oh, you saved my life here. Okay, here we're back. We're back. Let's look at the accelerator oscillator. It's accelerating, right? We're in acceleration mode. Stock's going up. That's why it's at 65. That's the accelerator. It's on the gas. Okay. Let me look at the MACD. MACD. There's MACD right there. Okay. That means the Big Mac. MACD delta. I don't know. The MACD is positive. Okay. That's my oscillators. That's my indicators. I did take technical analysis at Harvard. It's the main course they teach in the business school. They give you candles in real life, and you have to arrange the candles. And the instructor yells at you like it's Iron Chef. MACD from 137th? That was great. Yo, I know MACD. He owe me money. That's MACD from 137th Street, Lexington Avenue. Man, fuck MACD. All right, we got 64. It's a Beatles song my dad used to play for me. I'm getting nostalgic here. My dad made it to 69. The Beatles song goes, will you still love me? Will you still need me? When I'm 64. If you don't know the song, it's a beautiful little ditty. We don't think about getting that old, but it happens to all of us. Maybe some of you out there are 64. Who knows? I think most of you are young. Oh, I was hanging out with some trader friends of mine at Campbell Apartment yesterday, and a whole bunch of Wall Street interns showed up and took some pictures of me. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for swinging by. You get a 72-year-old? Mazel tov. Okay. Abivex gap's up a little bit, $66 now. That's a gap. Now the gap's going to get filled someday, right? Even if AstraZeneca buys them for $10 billion, the gap must get filled. That's the rule. Do you know your TA or not? Gaps get filled. That's what it just got filled right there. Oh, Draco, how are you? Welcome to my stream. Oh, it's all over. Gap got filled. We got a reversal here on high volume. This correlation coefficient next to the sigma and delta. You've got Vega, Vanna, okay? Partial derivatives, third order derivatives, color, charm, quarks, top down. What else? These all play into trading. That's right. Integrals play into trading as well. You have area under the curve of the chart. You even have Vanna White. Got a cup and handle. That's right. Fedora, all those gaps will be filled. Mark my words. Those Apple gaps will be filled. When I'm 64. The fib, okay, let's go. Let's add the fib indicator. I just click indicators, and I need my Nachi, man, my Fibonacci. Where is it? Where the hell is it? Now I'm pissed off. Well, VWAP is good to look at least, but tricks on it. Let's do tricks on it. Super trend, RSI. Oh no, computer's after loading this chart with things. Future, the I have